everyone, it's Cam. Today we're checking out the Rainy Days official MV. Wait, none of y'all tell me V dropped it looks like a whole album. So we're checking out Rainy Days and Love Me Again. So yeah man, let's like, subscribe, and let's watch this. Simple. You listen real carefully. Loops go weird.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like staring at my phone, I gauge, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 맨날. Time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same me. 늦었지만 우리 다시. Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
Bro, does V live in a spaceship? Bro, where is he at right now? Bro, what is he? Is this plans for his like takeoff to Mars? Like, what is he drawing up right now? What's he cooking?
Rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like
That boy V can sing though. Yeah.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 make clover.
That's kind of crazy.
Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the.
We get it, V. You don't have to flex, bro. Your face is perfectly symmetrical. Remember when handsome day in Korea? We get it, okay, bro. We don't need to flex the patterns.
Way right back to you.
The mathematical
On
formulas.
rainy days, like.
Alright. Bro, is this an actual house or is this a set? Also, I like he brought his dog on. He brings the dog everywhere. But okay, that was, I'm gonna be honest, it was catchy, it was cool, but it was boring. I'm not gonna lie, this song was boring. Okay, anyone that's disagree, you're glazing. Okay, you're glazing. You know what I'm saying? Rainy days. What's it? Something about you. It, you know what I'm saying? It's catchy, but like, there was the one part where he started saying something, but like, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is, man. Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that like, subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. And I'm out. See ya.